So today I am going to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now let's start. Now we have to move white color piece 90-degree upwards. Again we have to move 90-degree upwards. And also we have to move white color piece 180-degree upwards. Again we have to move 180-degree upwards. Now we have to move the white color piece like this. Got it. Again we have to move 90-degree downwards, 90-degree rightwards, and 90-degree leftwards, 90-degree upwards. Degree downwards, leftwards, upwards, rightwards, downwards, leftwards, upward, downward, leftward, upwards, leftwards, downwards, rightwards, upwards. Now we have to learn an easy formula. So move leftwards, again leftwards, move downwards, move rightwards, upwards, rightwards, downwards, leftwards, upwards. Leftwards, downwards, rightwards, upwards, rightwards, downwards, leftwards, upwards. So move rightwards, move rightwards, downwards, leftwards, upwards, leftwards, downwards, rightwards, upwards. Now 2 layers are complete. So now we have to learn another new formula. So move downwards, rightwards, downwards, leftwards, upwards, downwards, again, downwards, rightwards, downwards, leftwards, upwards. The scheme. Now we have to learn another new formula. So move 90-degree leftwards. Move 90-degree downwards, leftwards, leftwards, upwards, leftwards, downwards, leftwards, upwards, rightwards, rightwards. Downwards, leftwards, leftwards, upwards, leftwards, downwards, leftwards, upwards, leftwards. 90-degree downwards and leftwards, downwards, rightwards, upwards, leftwards, upwards, rightwards. Move downwards, leftwards, downwards, rightwards, upwards, rightwards. Move downwards, leftwards, leftwards, upwards, leftwards, downwards, leftwards, upwards, downwards, rightwards, rightwards, upwards, rightwards, downwards, rightwards, upwards. Again, downwards, leftwards, leftwards, upwards, leftwards, downwards, leftwards, upwards, downwards, rightwards, rightwards, upwards, rightwards, downwards, rightwards, upwards, downwards, leftwards, leftwards, upwards, leftwards, downwards, leftwards, upwards, downwards, leftward, leftward, upward, leftward, upward. Wow, I complete this.